Are you struggling with the complexity of today's manufacturer discounts? Some of them are buydowns, some of them are discounts, some are reimbursable, some are not. Let's take a look at a new feature we've added to help you with this: reimbursable discounts in today's FasTrax Facts. It's becoming more common for manufacturers to create a reduction that has more complexity than a buydown can handle. So it must be created as a discount, but it's still going to be reimbursed, though usually off sales instead of invoices like buydowns are. So now you can flag these discounts with that designation and have your costs more accurately reported. Let's take a look at how to set it up in Control Center. From Control Center, we'll navigate to Discounts and Buydowns, Discounts, then we'll choose which discount to adjust. Within the discounts, we'll go to the Options tab, and we will set the reimbursable discount option to Yes. Once saved, anytime that discount is applied, the amount discounted will be subtracted from the cost of the item that was discounted. This will allow you to more accurately see your true margins in all sales reports. That's today's FasTrax Facts.